So in this video, we're going to look at the Taqsim and the lunge, really working our legs. So this is my strength training series, making it a little bit more fun with some belly dance movements and some other movements that I'll be introducing you guys to as well over time. So warm up first before you do this, and then come and see me. So you can look at the videos first, the YouTube video tutorial on the Taqsim, which is the inward figure of 8 or the inward Maya. I have it on my Insta TV as well. And then we're going to combine it with the lunge. So first of all, let's just do the Taqsim. As I said, if you haven't learned it before, go and watch it on my Insta TV or my YouTube channel, because I break it down properly. Otherwise, I'm just going to go straight in. So I'm going to roll the hips from side to side. You're going to need to make sure you're nice and warm first. Of course, before you partake, make sure you're warm. And now what we're going to do is the lower you go in the legs, the more you're going to be working your legs. But I want to make sure that you're not sticking your bottom out, because it's different. Okay, so I want you to be nice and upright. And roll through the feet. Keep the knees together. So make sure your legs are not opening and closing. And we go. And then we're going to go as far as we can, so you can really engage your obliques. In my school, in BellyDance, we really focus on dancing from the inside out and really using our muscles as much as possible to execute our movement. So you should be really feeling this pretty much everywhere. We call this classical position with the arms in my school. So we have the arms out to the side and we really try to sway those hips. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. These babies should be really working. And this, everything should be working. Okay, let's go to a few lunges. I'm going to face this way first. I'm going to put my left leg in front and my right leg behind. Your legs need to be in line with the hips. So not too wide, in line with the hips. And when you come down, put your knees, front knee over your ankle, and not this. It's very bad for you, so you're not going to lift your knees. So make sure your posture and alignment is very important. Tummy engaged. We're going to go straight down and straight up. Straight down, straight up. We're going to engage the tummy. Really keep the tummy engaged. If you would like to make it a bit more challenging, you could add on tummy pops while we do this. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So in my school, we call these tummy pops, where you put in the belly, contracting the tummy muscles as much as you can. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Down, 2, up, 2, down, 2, up. One more time. Down, 2, up, 2. Let's change legs. So, it's all good. These are my YouTube tutorials and my Insta TV tutorials. Many quick little videos. If you want to learn properly and effectively, and not just one-away little tutorials here and there, go to my website, melissabellydance.com, and I will teach you lots and lots of really awesome things properly. And we progress from week to week. Each video is an hour long. It's a proper class, not just like random tutorials. So if you want to learn properly, come and study with me on my website. Down and up. Make sure your knees are not collapsing inwards. You put the tummy in, but make sure you're really breathing. Optional to do the tummy. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Two more. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, cool. So now we're going to combine the lunge with Maya. If you've never learned the Maya or you are not sure about it, by all means you can totally just do the lunges without and continue with the belly if you prefer. So I'm going to face the front. Again, make sure your posture and your alignment is set up appropriately so you don't hurt your knees or your back or anything like that. Okay, from here, we're just going to do, keep the legs staggered, and we're just going to do the Taqsim. So I'm still shifting my hips from left to right and right to left, and my weights will also shift with that movement. Okay, so I'm going to keep my chest lifted, and I'm keeping my knees, and keep focusing, because we're layering belly dance movement with a lunge. We want to still make sure we're looking after our technique and our posture and our alignment. It's really important. So, to begin with, maybe don't go so low until you know what you're doing. We're going to go down. I'm going to start on this hip. This is my left, maybe it's your right. Hip, 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 hip. 1, 2. Make sure this foot isn't swiveling around at the back, okay? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. 1. You can make it a little bit more pretty if you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your legs in. We're going to change sides. So again, if you prefer, don't go so low while you figure it out, okay? Otherwise, the lower you go, the harder it is. Within reason, I wouldn't want you to go too low, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're not leaning forward or leaning back. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. If you want to make it prettier, put some arms in, you can. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay low. Legs, these babies should be really working. So, hopefully you really like that. There's loads more videos to choose from, not just my strength training series, but lots of different tutorials to learn from. If you like the music is by Tribal from the Trap. Music is available everywhere. And if you're a dancer, a teacher, performer, or anybody who uses music on social media, you can use this music license free without any problems whatsoever. So you go ahead, download it, use it, no problem. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stretch. Heavy head, rolling down to the floor, alternate your legs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then pull the tummy in and roll up. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how much your thighs burn. Did they burn or did they not burn? If they didn't burn, I have to make it harder for you guys. So, okay. Thank you. Bye bye.